And pause it now. Today we're going to, well, our previous video, which is also today, was Francesco Bernoulli, which you can see over there. More importantly, RIP Clutchowski. And Michael, would you please say something funny to get the people to laugh?
Hello, everyone. Even you from Kansas. I am dead. I am done now.
Okay, I'm pretty much done now with the side. As previous, I'm just going to chuck the base. I'm just going to chuck the, of course. Something popped! Something popped! You don't help! You either.
I don't need your NASCAR.
Nickelodeon.
Yes, NASCAR.
No, I don't. I just don't like racing.
That's exactly what the purpose of the car is for.
No, I just don't like. It's not. Don't listen to him.
Don't listen to him. He's alright.
And we might do a video of playing Disney Infinity, which we're pretty hilarious at.
Yeah.
Watch our next video.
Wow.
Watch it. In our previous video, sing Waka Waka, and don't worry, that's our cats. Just not some freak sneaking on us. Please, I'm hoping to get 500 likes at least. If you really want to, 2,000 likes.
Don't listen to him. We probably won't make it. But with your help, we will.
Donate Goodwill. Give me my free money, Goodwill. Now!
Alright. Please unbox faster.
I wear my
People
sunglasses.
that are watching this will kind of get bored of you opening a box. But still.
It's going to be funny.
It's going to be funny in our next video. We're probably going to do it today. I don't know. Probably.
Yes, today it's only option. It's Sunday and tomorrow's school.
So, I am definitely...
Die you not!
I know the kill knots.
Me too. Because I'm darn good
I don't
at
know
it.
how to time issues, but I know how to untime them. Boy Scouts.
Both of the knots are done. You're done for, knots. Surrender.
I have super courageous claws.
I wear my sunglasses. Oh no! What has happened?
What the? He got impaled by a knot.
He got impaled. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh, yes.
Yes! He is basically Francesco Bernoulli with upgrades.
Basically, Francesco
Guys,
Bernoulli.
I'm going to get Francesco and compare him.
To this car.
Pause it real quick.
Done.
Yes.
Eddie,
the future
The
of
Eddie
today.
infomercial.
Buy our merchandise today.
Nope. We just don't have merchandise.
We don't have merchandise. This is how really compared they are. They have the same base of construction over here. They have pretty much the same. He doesn't take a company. What is wrong with him? Apparently his company makes his own wheels. This is completely ad-free. Just click on that button and see if you have ads. There's no ads, no annoying ads on this thing. But I really wish that we can get money.
Nope, we can't.
Ads.
I really wish we could make merchandise.
And they have turned into an Autobot. Transformers, robots in disguise.